sunny weather, and I gave my vehicle for service. How many vehicles do I give for service? And I went to a showroom. After going to the showroom, they haven't done the small details and adjustments again. So these are the things that I'm talking about in a showroom, that usually people don't look into those details. Now with that done, the vehicle will be smooth, and I have to change my tires too. God, look at my hair. Okay, going to collect my bike the next day. Hope it is audible, and let's see what happens. I am getting the tire changed in Michelin. These are the tire conditions. Okay, right now the stock is actually TBS Eurogrip. Changing it to sporty because it's an affordable option, and I have to get the thing done over there. I like carbon, it's easier to maintain. Like I said, scratch doesn't come that easily. Dropped the bike and now it's stabilized. The bike 3 times because now center stand, and
Are you sure about that?
so the thing got jammed, it was old. Hopefully, oh my god, I forgot to take my specs. It's not that hot, but going to collect my vehicle. Can't take any public transport because Corona. After approximately around 4,000 rupees of expense, and literally can't even get the bike washed out. Any showroom I'm going, authorized. Okay. Completely next level grip. Oh my god. Oh shit, it's veering off to the left. Going to the left a bit. What the hell? My god, oh my god. Look at the silencer, my god. 7-liter 3.2 turbo turbine. Oh shit, wet road. Hello, welcome back guys to blah 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 blah. I mean Sanjodaya channel. Now that I have explained something about 200 NS and how I'm going through such a phase in my life where 200 NS has problems, I just wanted to also give an input on a person who contacted me on Instagram, Gauri Shankar. He actually gave so many insights about how he did his color selections for his vehicle, and it was a nice experience to listen from him. So thank you for contacting and talking to me about that. It felt good. Now, talking about 200 NS, 200 NS still has issues. It's not that it's been sorted. And even being a sports bike, you have to have those amenities where the brake pedal is properly designed so that you can actually put the brake properly and feel sporty. I find it quite funny that even though it's a sports bike, the way it is getting serviced in the service center is not like a sports bike. Feels like platina or something. So in that perspective, it is not so good. And in terms of the tire, I actually did a lot of research on what tires to actually get. And MRF and other companies are good, but the thing is that they're not giving the matching compound, and I don't feel like okay because I have to run around for the tires. Since Michelin was available close to my house and the ratings were good, I might have paid a bit extra, but it's good actually as far as I've tried right now. It is not radial tires, it's just normal tires. Radial tires are more costly and soft compound, prone to more of puncture. I know that this is for city use and I have to expect the limited amount of time that I can get with it. It will be more than 15,000 kilometers most probably. And also the standard size is 130 section, it's not 140. So keep in mind while you're buying a 140 section that it is not designed for that vehicle. It's 130. 140, if you want to take risk, you can take risk. I'll give you an update what has happened. And if you're removing the mudguard, it looks super good, looks good. That's why I removed the mudguard. Usually I put it on, just wanted to test and see how it is. So till now it looks good. It handles good. I don't know, it's going towards the left. I have to figure what is the issue. Other than that, the vehicle has a nice stance. Front is having 100 section, the rear is having 140. Standard size is actually 100 section in the front and 130 at the back. So make sure that you know what you're getting into. And putting 150 section is not a good idea. If you're taking the risk, it's on you. I didn't recommend. Even 140 section, I didn't recommend. I'm still testing. 130 section is what I recommend. So, what more do you need from me, man? This is the update on the 200 NS. And if you want to do a tire selection, Michelin Pilot Sporty is my choice. You take your decision based on your research.